tap the Meet icon in order to create a new link for Google Meet and press the create link. After that, you can, in order to share, you can share the press the share button, and you can share through the WhatsApp or through any other apps, whichever you want. And you can schedule a meeting. You can tap the date and choose the date on which date you want to have the meeting, and you can schedule the time also by pressing the time. So you can set at 9:30 a.m. or p.m. You can choose. After that, press OK, and you can schedule the time like that. And you can also add the description, like example meeting 1, and save it. You can save. Thus you can create a scheduled meeting, and you can share that to the people whoever needs to be joining the meeting or through any app. Now we can choose our background like this. You can choose any background, whichever you want. In order to on and off the video, press the video icon, and to on and off the mic, press the mic icon. To ask for time to speak, press the hand icon. If you press the 3 dots here, lots of icons pops up. Press the share screen button to share your screen. You can show your screen to your viewers, and press stop sharing to stop sharing the screen. Press in call messages to write messages or give a thumbs up, etc. And this will be seen by everyone in the meeting. Now, to end the call or exit from the meeting, press the red icon. That's how you end a call or exit from it.